Yep, this is your boss babe Ara, and I'm just sharing to you our trip to Bayawan, and this is the first of 2023. And yeah, as you can see, there is some coconut trees. This is along Santa Catalina or after, and yeah, it's actually the first harvest in our farm. So another year, another set of goals, another adventure, and another dreams to smash and goals to smash the year. So when we arrived, we actually went first to get the rice house. So yeah, and look at my baby Bebo working hard. Actually, it's a sunny day. It's Sunday. This is January 15. This is around 11 a.m. So, and then we arrived in their farm at night. We headed there until evening because that's the time of the harvest. And as you can see, there's trucks loaded already. Yeah, it's all purple there. And this is me in the dark. There's not much light in there, so you cannot see me. Yep, you cannot see my face. But actually, I got my jacket on. I will be sleeping here tonight, and guess where I'll be sleeping? It's an adventure for me actually. So yeah, you cannot see me there. It's not lighted. There were 3 trucks loaded for the first harvest for the first day, and then I think this will be over for 4 days. It depends upon how many trucks per night. Yeah, I got some knowledge because Inigo shared to me also everything about grower, chicken farm, chicken poultry, and everything else. Yeah, it's actually a plus points for me for skills, and maybe in the future we can build one for ourselves that we own. And so yes, I'm going to show you where I will be sleeping. I will be sleeping inside the car. I got my blankets, my pillows, and some snacks. And I downloaded some Netflix that I will be watching for an hour. I got some dogs gun. Yeah, that's a very nice story. I also watched this Maldivas. It's a Spanish Latin series movie in Netflix. Yeah, so that's a car. I'll be heading there, and I'll be sleeping inside. Yes, so well, of course, I'm really afraid that there will be some snakes that will be crawling in, but we'll see and what will happen. But of course, there will be that. Okay, everyone, we're here in Baralacan. Before you enter, please step on the footpath. Yes. So let's check. Open the door. See the chickens. So that's what's inside of the tunnel. So I'm just going to show you here what it looks like during the night time. And yes, it's basically just what you can see inside. Dark, cold air, very fresh air, of course. And yes, that's basically just showing to you what exactly that will happen every night during the harvest. And me here took a photo of the sky. The moon is so bright and it's so lovely. And yep, so this is just a snippet of our day. Basically, for a busy week schedule, I'm cooking and I'm also doing my exercise. This is going to the AC Medical Center here in Taiwan and back and forth. As you can see, yes, I don't know how many kilometers is that, but at least I sweat it out. Yeah, so normal days like this, we also have our online work. So busy. Hope that you enjoyed our video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you till the next time. Bye. Ciao.